Fast, flexible, and completely free and open source. It's easy to see why Godot 4 is becoming the engine of choice for beginner and pro developers alike. Able to render stunning graphics without compromising on performance, this lightweight engine isn't just easy to learn, it's specifically designed to speed up your game creation process. In the Godot 4 Game Development Mini Degree, you'll learn everything you need to build 2D and 3D games with Godot. You'll learn the basics by creating mini-games, build 2D and 3D platformers, create a turn-based RPG, make a real-time strategy game, master survival game basics, and more. Join Zenva's community of over 1 million learners. Your instructors aren't just fun to learn from, they're serious gamers, qualified coders, and have been formally certified for their excellent programming and teaching skills. You'll get access to over 250 flexible coding courses that can be watched on all devices, anywhere, at any time, with no deadlines or due dates to worry about. Jump into the Godot 4 Mini Degree today. We can't wait to see the games that you'll create.